lesson, and today we will learn about charts in Excel. A simple chart in Excel can say more than a sheet full of numbers. As you'll see, creating charts is very easy. So today, malalaman natin kung paano mag-create ng chart in Excel. So usually, ang nakikita natin sa worksheet ay puro mga numbers, yung data or yung raw data. But mas maipapakita natin yung information about this data kapag ginagamitan natin ng mga charts. So we have here a sample data based dun sa ating module. And let's now create a chart by following the steps doon sa ating module. So first, we select the range A1 to D7. So ito yung ating A1 and this is our D7. So to select, we just need to highlight all the cells. Okay. Then, on the Insert tab in the Charts group, click the line symbol. So we have here the Insert tab. Then Charts. So we have here the Charts group. Click the line symbol. Click line with markers. So ito yung mga different line charts. So hanapin daw natin yung line with markers. Okay, so this is line with markers. Okay, so ito na yung result ng ating chart. O, diba? Ganun lang kabilis. So, dito sa ating chart, makikita na natin yung legends for the wildlife population ng mga species. So, yung bears, dolphins, whales. So, per month, pinakita na dyan, na-plot na yung mga number of population per month. Okay, so now we can add a title for our chart para naman, 'di ba, alam nung titingin na yung chart pala na ito ay about halimbawa wildlife population. So, click the chart, then go to design, then hanapin nyo dito sa charts layout yung gusto nyong layout. So, I will choose layout 3. Ayan. So, similar dun sa ating module, yung ating napiling layout. Then, click nyo lang dito sa chart title. Tapos, i-type nyo na yung title ng inyong chart. So, wildlife population. Ayan. So, ayan na yung title ng iyong chart. Okay. So, ganun lang kadali yung pag-label ng ating chart. So, let's now try to change the chart type. Okay. So, halimbawa, ayaw natin ng line chart. Gusto natin ng bar graph. So, click lang natin yung chart or select natin yung chart. Then, sa Design tab uli, change chart type. So, pili na tayo nung column. Okay. So, anong klaseng column? So, ito lang, simple lang natin. And click OK. So, yan na yung ating panibagong chart type. Column chart type. So, that's how easy to create a chart in Excel. And that ends our lesson in MS Excel for Teachers. I hope na nadagdagan kahit papano yung inyong kaalaman about Excel. And this will really help you in your future research or future projects na nangangailangan ng pag-a-analyze ng data using Excel. So watch out for our next video lesson and see you again next time. Bye!